Hi everyone, I'm using this old brush. It's getting really worn, isn't it? We'll see how it goes. We'll just make another old-fashioned landscape. And we'll bring a lot of blue at the top this time. Should really make enough, really, shouldn't you? I don't always do that. No, we'll just try a little bit of lemon, just a touch there, see. And we'll leave it at that. Okay. A simple watercolour. What I mean is not a lot in it. Like colours, did you? Going across. I'm glad I've not got the too dark and still get to see any branches, can't we? I'll mix a bit of blue and red now to get grey, so that I can put this grey in here. Oh well. That's still not down enough. That's better. Is that better? Yeah. Now this one is a little bit bigger. I often have a think that the colours are not This like yellow and green here, if you see it, if it is in these colours, these lights, I think it's a nice colour. That colour is just what I want, the nice colour. Okay, the sky blue's okay, but that green's, the green of these trees, it's as though it's done with black. Okay, well I hope you like that. Anything else would like me to do for you? Just say. Now you see this one here, look at the green in that, on that colour there. Now that's the green, a mix of green, and can you see the dark of that tree? It's different than the dark of that tree. The blue's almost the same. I put a little bit of light red here, can you see it? There. This cobalt mostly. Now, see, this green colour here, it's mixed with some raw sienna, that colour, and some bit of that Prussian, those two, for this. But keep it on the raw sienna. If you want to add a little bit, this browns is raw umber. I have sepia there and Van Dyke, but they're a dirty colour. It's a sepia light, that one. Now the greens. Now the greens is, believe me, I'll be honest with this, it's grey, Payne's grey, little bit of Windsor, umber as well, but more on the Payne's grey, and then as you want that little bit of a green, you don't want it to go like a Payne's grey bluey colour, you'll have to add a little touch of cad yellow to it, and just keep adding it till you get the green you want, and then use it on and watch what you're seeing, and if it's not quite right, add a bit more Payne's grey to it, and then a bit more yellow cad with it, or lemon's good to be with it, because if you use it lemon instead of cad yellow, you can wipe out here to get a light tree in front. Now you see how I've tried to wipe out, but it's not wiped out enough. It's not come out, you see, because it's a little bit too much staining at the back, and I can't wipe it out with a brush. I can't go over a big tree and then wipe it out to get a light colour in it. Can you see there's a bit of light there? But it doesn't look like another tree in front, does it? Because it's not light enough. A safe colour for the side of the house is either a raw umber or a bit of light red with blue into it, which gives you that grey. And grey sometimes can be a nice colour, because you can put if it was a bigger house, you could put different coloured doors in, which looks smart, especially Mr. Wesson was fond of doing this. If you look at Carla Butte, is it? One of them, and Carla Tongue it was, yeah. I get mixed up with, I used to go around the Carla Butte, which is, the Carla Butte is on the lower down on the northwest side of Scotland. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. I hope everybody's well. Don't forget, you can always have a look in at my Patreon until I pop off, which won't be so long now, will it? To be honest. And thanks for looking in, that's all I can say. And bless you all for your kindness.